We've talked about what you need and how to choose your home theater components, but there's one last piece to include in your home theater equipment. And it's the most important piece because without it, you may not be getting your optimum picture and sound quality for your investment, or worse, you can lose your investment altogether. Here's what I'm talking about. It's power management. Electrical power can fluctuate and cause damage to your TV and components, and power can be polluted with noise and interference created by other electrical appliances like your refrigerator, your computer, your vacuum, and even more. Let's call it dirty power. Yuck. This dirty power can cause a hum or a buzzing in your sound and pixel blocks called artifacts on your home theater audio and video. Like I said, it's not just about protecting your components. Power can affect the quality of your picture and sound. You'll want a power conditioner to filter the power so that it reaches your component without degrading your home theater's audio and video. And dirty power may not even be coming from your home. You and your neighbors are on the same circuit. When your neighbor's air conditioning kicks on, it can affect your home theater, unless you protect and condition the power coming into your components. You have a lot of equipment to plug into an outlet. Don't be tempted to use an ordinary power strip like this one to add more outlets for your electronics. These budget surge protectors are not designed for the advanced needs of a home theater. One surge can destroy the protection circuitry inside a simple power strip, leaving your home theater equipment unprotected against secondary surges. A sudden surge of energy can damage your components or even destroy your whole home theater system. You've probably heard that during a thunderstorm, lightning strikes can travel through your power lines and damage your electronics. But did you also know that it can also travel through your coaxial cable that is connected to the TV antenna or satellite, or a spike can travel over the phone lines that are connected to your satellite receiver or DVR? And it's not only lightning strikes, it's blackouts or it's brownouts. When power returns after a blackout or brownout, it's unstable in those first few seconds, and that instability can wipe out sensitive electronics that create your picture and sound, or it could even wipe out your entire system. You want to make sure that every connection coming into your equipment is fully protected from these surges. Never, ever plug any electronics, particularly your computer and your home theater components, directly into the wall, or you leave them vulnerable to these fluctuations in power. Instead, you want to use protection that keeps your equipment safe from power surges and spikes. But you want to make sure that you have all your components connected correctly and that all your lines, including your coaxial and your phone lines and your subwoofer, are connected too. A powered subwoofer that is connected to the wall can pass a surge back to the receiver through its subwoofer interconnect or speaker cables. Sometimes you may have specific power issues that need to be resolved. If you've ever noticed horizontal bars of differing brightness that scroll through your TV picture, or you've heard hum in your speakers, even when your equipment is connected to a power conditioner, there may be something called a ground loop in your system, which can be really tough to get rid of. One solution is a power conditioner that has an isolation transformer system. Power coming into your home is in constant flux. In areas when the electrical grid gets overloaded, the voltage coming in through your wall outlets can dip or swell. For instance, this can happen in warm climates during the summer when air conditioners become a big drain on the available power supply. A voltage stabilizer like this one is designed to deliver a consistent stream of electricity to your AV components. This saves them from unnecessary wear, extends their life, and lets them perform up to their true potential by feeding them the exact voltage for which they were engineered. In the US, that's 120 volts, and in other parts of the world, it can be 220 or 240 volts. Now you know about the components you need to put together your home theater system.